Drop, top. Come on. Yo. What you got, son?
It's a true era in hip hop.
Huh?
Yeah. Nigga. Now you just talking out your ass. I'm just gonna have to prove that you ain't shit. Hefe. You say you getting money, so what you getting in? Cause when that money knocking, you ain't let it in. Scared money don't make no money. I take your money and I flip your money, then I give it right back so you can flip your own money. And that PC is mine. I took your old money and I made it to some new money, new kind of shit. Black coupe, black tint, nigga, that's my kind of whip. Meat market. I chop it down, chop it long, chop it down, chop it fucking loud. New beef, I'm in the swamp flu. Cause these niggas talking, but they ain't fucking true. True. I put your paws out like poker, nigga. I bring the chips out and I cashed out. Once I hit a mill, but a couple years later I'm going back to robbing still. Cause I'm a greedy nigga, a needy nigga. I can have it all and still want more, nigga. Cause that's what bosses do. I'm a boss boo. I take a trip out of town when the block is cool. Yeah, and when the block is hot, I'm in the middle of the block with the drop top, saying how you doing? Kiss my ass. I'm a young Dominican and I don't got a dad. Nah, cause he dead, nigga. And I still love you, even though you a dead nigga. Half a brick, I landed on my own. And I bagged it up, sold it through my fucking phone. I had a Blackberry, I had a black bitch. I call her Halle Berry. Short hair, red bone. FaceTime, nigga gave her iPhone.